Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the DonorDrive charity fundraising app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer: this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. DonorDrive is a fundraising platform designed to help nonprofits, charities, and individuals raise money more effectively. The app offers peer-to-peer fundraising, mobile donation options, real-time progress tracking, and personalized fundraising pages. It also supports team collaboration, event participation, and even live streaming integrations to connect with donors in engaging ways. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many organizations praise the app for its modern design, mobile-friendly donation process, and ability to keep supporters engaged. Fundraisers like the easy setup of personalized pages, and nonprofits value the real-time reporting that helps track progress. Teams especially benefit from collaborative fundraising features, which can make group campaigns more impactful. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention occasional glitches, limited customization options, and that certain features may require additional setup or integrations. Smaller organizations may also find the platform's advanced tools overwhelming if they only need simple donation tracking. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the DonorDrive app may be worth using if you're part of a nonprofit, charity, or fundraising team looking for a professional, mobile-first platform to boost donations. It excels in peer-to-peer fundraising, event integration, and donor engagement. However, if your organization needs only basic tools or wants heavy customization without added costs, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.